Hello everyone, Amy Wilbanks here with Textile Fabric Consultants. This is a video on how to mount the swatches included in the Fashion Design Swatch Kit. The fabrics are packaged in the order that they're to be mounted from 1 to 60. However, some fabrics may stick together, leading you to believe that you're missing a swatch. So hopefully this video will clear up any confusion you may have about the swatch kit. If you have questions or need more information, you can always contact me using the information on the screen, or you can visit our homepage and look under Mounted Swatches to view the swatch kit there. Let's get started. Just a couple of things before we begin. Be sure to keep the rubber bands on your swatches until you're ready to mount them. And as we go through this video, I'll just be referring to the swatches by the swatch number. I won't be saying the fabric name. We do have some schools that request that we keep the master list out of the kits so students can learn to identify the fabrics without them. So let's get started with swatches number 1 through 4. I'm only going to tape down swatches 1 through 4, and then the rest of them I'll just lay them down just to save time in the video. But you're just going to lay them down and just flip them over like that, just to make sure that you don't have two as you're laying them down. And then just take a long piece of tape, tape it at the top only, so that you have 3 sides available to pull yarns from as you study the fabrics. So that's swatches 1 and 2. And here we have 3 and 4. And again, we're just going to tape at the top only. Just press that down so that they stay. So that's how you mount them with the tape. Okay, now we're ready for swatches 5 and 6. And as you lay them down, look at the front and the back just to make sure you don't have 2 stuck together. And also be careful, a lot of swatches don't have fronts or backs, but just pay attention to how you're picking them up and be sure you put them down with the face up if you can. So that's 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This one does have a front and the back, so you can see the print is darker on the face than it is on the back. 15. And these 2 may stick together. 16. 17. 18. 19. Again, another print. 20. 21. 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and I'd like to make a comment right here. There's a few fabrics that are bulkier than others, and you may have to put 2 pieces of tape across the top just to make sure the tape doesn't come up when you mount the swatches. 45, 46. There is a chance that maybe your swatch for some of these might be a different color, but you should be able to tell from the video, like the texture or the type of fabric, that you are mounting the right swatch. But if you do have questions again or need more information, always feel free to reach out and contact us. $47, 48, 49 is very fluffy, so you'll definitely possibly have to put 2 pieces of tape at the top just to keep it down. And here's an area where the swatches may stick together. This is 50. 51, 52, and pay special attention to this area because these 2 swatches do stick together. So one is very thin and it sticks to the other one. So just be mindful of that. So 53 and 54. 55, 56, and 56 and 57 may stick together, so be careful there. 57, 58, and our last 2, 59 and 60. One more of those that's a little bit thicker, you might want 2 pieces at the top. So that completes the mounting of the Fashion Design Swatch Kit. If you have questions, again, please feel free to reach out to us. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can receive more of our textile concept videos. Thank you.